Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to create an one brand makeup tutorial and I'll be using products from Sugar Cosmetics, and this is basically an Indian festive makeup look which you can just wear during the festive months, and Sugar is one of my personal favorite brands and I really like her products a lot. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please continue watching. So starting off, I have already applied moisturizer on my face, and this is a box which contain all the Sugar products which I will be applying. And at first I'll be doing my eyebrows, and for the eyebrows I am using Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer in the shade 02 Taupe Tom, and it comes with a spoolie as well. So this is a great product, eyebrow product to use for a regular basis. So I generally do my eyebrows like this. So I'll be just lining up my brows and put short strokes to just fill up my brows. And the color of this brow product is really great, guys. It just matches me perfectly, matches with my hair perfectly, and it's a mix of gray and brown, which is really good for Indian skin tone. And the brush spoolie is really convenient, which you can just brush out your eyebrows. So now I'll be doing my face, and for the face I'm using Sugar Ace of Face foundation stick in the shade 04 BREVE, which matches me perfectly. And this foundation stick itself comes with a brush which I won't be using because it's a little small. So taking this foundation stick, I will just put it in small strokes all over my face, and you can see it's so creamy and it's really pigmented, and it's a full coverage foundation which will just cover up all your pigmentation and dark spots you have all over your face. So I'm just putting it like this all over my face, and now I'm taking a buffing brush. You can take any buffing brush you have and blend this foundation out. I preferably like to use a brush to blend this sort of creamy foundation, as it just blends so seamlessly. So I will just buff this out all over my face. And this is, as you can see guys, this is a single layer of this foundation, and it has given me a complete full coverage look. It has covered up everything, every flaws I have on my face, and it will just give you such great look, and I am really impressed with this product. Now taking the foundation stick again, I am putting it under my eyes as a concealer. Actually, I will just double up the foundation stick under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my lids, on my forehead. This will just conceal my face as well as highlight my face. So you can also use this foundation stick as a concealer. So taking this buffing brush again, I am just buffing out the foundation I have put under my eyes. And you just need to blend it very nicely. Now to set my overall face, I'm using Sugar All Set to Go translucent powder. I have done a complete in-depth review of this product on my channel. You can just click on the eye to watch it, and this product is really great, guys. It comes with a puff in its packaging, which is so convenient to apply the product, and the powder is really finely milled and it will not at all give you any sort of flashback. So I will bake my face with this translucent powder. I will put it on the areas where I just need to set, since the foundation is really creamy and it will crease. So you just need to set your face if you have combination skin as I do. So I will just keep the baking for around 2 to 3 minutes and then just wipe it off with this brush. And you can see my whole face is now set. So now I will be working on my eyes, and for the eyes I am using Sugar Blend the Rules eyeshadow quad in the shade Skyfall, and it has got these 4 shades in this palette. And at first I'm taking this mauve shade. It's a very subtle mauve shade, and taking it in a fluffy crease brush, I will just blend it all over my crease. You have to work it very slowly. You have to just build up your crease color. Now taking that nude beige shade in a crease brush, a fluffy crease brush, I will be just putting it in the outer 2/3 of my eyes and blend it with the previous crease color that I put on my crease. This will just create an ombre effect for the other colors to work on. Now I'm taking the Sugar Twist and Shout Fadeproof Kajal in the shade Still Got the Blues, and it's a gorgeous blue shade, guys, and I'm just putting small strokes. Actually, I'm just scribbling it all over my lid to create a base for my other eyeshadows. The color is really nice and it's a smudge proof kajal, so you have to work it very fast, otherwise you won't be able to smudge it. So I'm taking a very stiff smudging brush and trying to blend it. It has already set, so I'm working pretty hard to blend it. So you have to work it very fast, guys, otherwise it will take a lot of time to blend. So now going back to this mauve shade again, I'm just blending it so that there is no harsh edges. Now I am taking this gorgeous metallic purple shade, which is one of my favorites from this palette, and I'm just putting it all over my lid. You can see it is such a great shade and it looks really nice with any sort of outfit you want to wear during the festive season. I am quite happy with my eye look. So now I'm taking this royal blue matte shade and I'm putting it in the outer corners of my eyes and blend it with the previous shades that I have put over there. This royal blue is really nice, guys. I'll be doing a separate tutorial with this shade only, and it's such pigmented and a great royal blue shade. Now going back to the palette, I'm taking this nude beige shade again and blending my crease again so that there is no harsh edges. Now I'll be doing my lower lash line, and for the lower lash line I'm using this palette again, and in a fat pencil brush I'm taking this mauve shade again and putting it all over my lower lash line. In a small smudging brush, I'm taking this royal blue shade and putting it very close to my lash line. Now going back to this metallic purple, I'm taking it in the same smudging brush and put it in the inner 2/3 of my lower lash line. So you can see. Now I'm taking Sugar Kohl of Honor Intense Kajal in the shade 01 Blackout, and it's a regular kohl which is smudge proof, waterproof, so I'll be just tightlining my lower and upper waterline with this kohl. So for the eyeliner, I'm using Sugar I Told You So Smudge Proof Eyeliner in the shade 01 Black Swan, and this is my favorite eyeliner, guys, and look at the tip it has. It has got this fine, precise tip with which you can just draw so precise, fine winged eyeliner. I have done a complete video on how to do a proper winged eyeliner. You can just click on that eye to watch it. And I will just draw a little thick winged eyeliner with the help of this liner, and it's really matte, guys, and it will just last on you throughout the whole day. So I am really happy with my eye look. So guys, I couldn't be able to get my hands on Sugar's mascara, so I have applied a false eyelash, and now it's time to do the rest of my face. And for the face, I am using Sugar Contour de Force face palette in the shade 01 Subtle Summit, which comes with a contour shade, a highlighter shade and a blush shade. So taking this contour shade, I am putting it in the hollows of my cheeks, on my forehead and all the other places where I just need to contour. I'll be also putting it on my jawline to hide my double chin. So you can see my face is now contoured. Now I'm taking the blush shade from that same palette and putting it on the apples of my face, and actually this shade is really good for everyday use. It's a subtle mauve shade. Now I'm taking this highlighter shade from the same palette and I will be highlighting my face. So I'm taking it in a highlighter brush and dropping off the excess. I'm putting it on my cheekbones, on the highest points of my face where I just need to highlight. And this highlighter is not too striky or blinding, but it's really subtle and looks really nice with every sort of eye look. Now I'm taking it in a pencil brush and also highlighting my brow bone with the same highlighter and putting it also in the inner corners of my eyes to just open up my eyes, and I am really happy how it turned out. So for the lips, I'm taking Sugar Suede Secret Matte Lip Color in the shade 01 Muslin Mauve, and you can see it's such a great mauve shade which is suitable for your everyday use, and it's actually the MLBB shade for my type of skin tone. And I think that this lip shade will look very nice with this purple eyes, and hence I have paired it with. And the formula is really nice, guys. It's non-drying and it has got a really comfortable matte look, and I am really impressed with this lip shade as well. So I have paired it with the jhumkas and bindi, and this is how it turned out. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you really like this video, and I am really happy with this look. And if you just like this video, then please hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We'll see you soon. I love you so much. Bye, guys.